The key to driving the use of design visualizations for highway projects is to put the visualization tools in the hands of the engineers and designers. The Autodesk Civil Visualization extension makes creating civil visualizations push-button easy for non-3ds Max design experts, as we'll see in the demonstration here. Civil engineers can export their AutoCAD Civil 3D data via the Dynamite VSP exporter and into the Dynamite VSP plugin for 3ds Max Design. The plugin also works with data from third-party applications, but AutoCAD Civil 3D users will benefit from dynamic file linking that enables changes to the design data to be automatically reflected in 3ds Max Design. On the Civil 3D side, as the design progresses, elements of the design can be exported to use to create visuals in 3ds Max Design. A user has full control over what gets exported and the way that materials are assigned to the individual components exported. On the 3ds Max Design side, the import takes place, and users here can decide what components to import, and the materials are assigned and managed automatically during the import process. Optional surface tracking can be applied to easily animate the movement of a vehicle over an underlying ground surface, while still retaining its relationship with the parent shape object. Draped orthographic aerial photographs can be added to provide realism. The visualization can further be enhanced by adding things like light poles, trees, and pavement markings. By default, objects have a permanent dependence on their associated shapes, which in turn are generally derived from imported designed feature lines. Applied content maintains a dependency on the elements imported from Civil 3D. So let's see how this works. Now on the Civil 3D side, for example, I have a change in my alignment. I re-export my information, and then in 3ds Max Design, I update the changed elements. After receiving the updates, all contents, such as trees, curbing, traffic lines, everything, are automatically updated as well to follow the alignment changes. Now, as you saw here, much of the normal workflow is template or style driven, which enables repetitive tasks that would otherwise be labor-intensive in Autodesk 3ds Max Design to be almost entirely automated. Because the extension is able to react to frequent design changes made in Civil 3D, this opens the potential for visualization to become an integral part of the design process, or even a part of the process used to win work. Constantly producing visualizations as the design progresses makes it easier to evaluate projects early and often.